I'm sorry, Belial. It's nothing personal. Deep Chaos, Archer Hercules, you... You're not taking anything from us. Because... Bro, Connor, you're so stupid, you'll never be a signal.
Thanks to Samuel, I was able to piece everything together. You were using me. Hooray. Oh shit, I'm dying.
We're gonna break Dynamite Belial with pliers. I'm sorry, Belial. It's nothing personal, okay? Wait, it might be too thin. Okay, we're gonna try Connor stepping on it.
Okay, here I go.
Damn! It didn't break it though, it just bent it really. Oh, it did break it! Okay, we need. I'm gonna break it completely in half.
Oh, there
oh no! It's broken! It's broken! Okay, time for the core. Did it break this half? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. This is what's left of Belial afterwards. Oh my god. No.